This is my tutorial on how to make a good Killer Moka Pot in the morning. So I get everything set up the night before. Super clean Moka Pot. Nice and clean. Bottom's clean. Aeropress filter parts and 27 grams of coffee plus or minus. So I start with boiling water. It's the morning now. And I also turn on my little burner here and just preheat the base on very, very low heat, just to take the chill off of it because it's cold from sitting all night long. This has been assembled now. I've just got to put the Aeropress filter in. I just kind of hold the Aeropress filter with my thumb and center it as much as I can. Just put a little water on there to help it adhere and to rinse the paper a little bit. My water's almost boiling, so I ground my coffee. It's helpful to have something to support the filter basket. I use this little jar. You can use whatever, but fill the basket. I use a spoon, but since I'm filming, I'm not going to use a spoon. I usually just give it a little tap or a little shake to kind of settle it. So not too full. If it's over full, you'll get a poor Moka Pot. If it's not full enough, it can also cause a problem. So the water's boiling now. So I'm going to fill this up, but only to the bottom of the valve. Hot water to the bottom of the valve. That I turn off. Put this in here. Moka Pot goes on top. I'm gonna have to pause this to use a towel to hold the base while I tighten the top. Okay, so I used the towel to tighten the top. Is pretty much as snug as I could get it. And then I'm going to turn the heat just to about medium. And wait, and I brew my Moka Pot with the lid open. Time to wait. This is about to start brewing. I can hear it. Even better, I can smell it. See if we can catch the moment of truth. The dog just got up. He's getting a drink. So there's about the flow rate. I'm just going to let it go. Usually if I get a good brew, it comes up to just above where the spout enters or kind of meets the upper pot wall there. If it's above that spout, it's a really good extraction and I got a good volume of water out of the base. If it's below that, not so good. Now I just wait a minute. Still going. Starting to foam a little bit, that's okay. Just don't want sputtering. And you don't want it blasting out of there. That's why I brew on really low heat, to keep the brew temperature down. You should never sputter and blast steam out of the top. So now it's finishing up pretty soon here, and as the streams, there we go, as it starts to do that, I'll just move it off the heat to let it finish. So there's the heat, I've just moved it to the side. Just give it a second to finish. So it looks like I did get up over that spout. You can kind of see there. Anyway, I guess that's done. So have your favorite mug ready. It's got to be your favorite mug, can't be any other mug. And just decant immediately. It's gonna be good. Every morning it's good. And I like to add water, hot water, maybe till it's about a 60-40, something like that, 70-30, 60-40. That's it. Beautiful moka pot. It's a good idea to keep the moka pot clean, so while it's hot, I just put some water in here, kind of rinse it out, and then just leave a little water in there until I can clean it up, which will be a little bit later this morning. And the last part of having a really good moka pot is finding your favorite place to sit and enjoy your moka pot before your family gets up while it's nice and quiet.